On board na tayo mga guys. Sakay na tayo ng aeroplano finally after 5 hours.
Once again, you can flight number 117 bound for Manila. If you
Papasok tayo.
receive B71 for documentation check and for classes
On board na tayo guys. Papasok na tayo sa airplane. Pila na. Dito pala.
Local time now is 6:38 in the morning, and the date today is April 5, 2026. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign switch off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instruction for deplaning. You may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your order has been called upon for deplaning. Please check for personal belongings for disembarkation. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff, who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Felix Roberto de Ramos, First Officer Deo Adolfo Gonzalez Jr., together with Second Officer Dasi Kyle Saley and Second Officer Jan Benedict Ibarra, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Arrive na dito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Mabuhay! Yan. Kunin na natin ating bagahe. Baggage claim. Ayan. 6 o'clock. Tirik na ang araw. Uy, nakaka-excite naman. Yan tayo. See you sa my luggage area.
Sabi niya, good job, mommy.
Hi, Peanut! Where are we now, Peanut?
Puti-puti niya.
Ano daw?
Canada daw. Andun na, wala tayo sa Canada.
We're in Canada? Yeah, mauna.
Uy, tuwa si Diana.
Philippines.
Tuwa si Diana kasi nabanggit niya yung, Tina, where you going? Tapos sabi niya, to the Philippines. Kasi di ba mahabang word yun? Tuwa si Diana. Kaya na niyang sabi ko naman, anong kala niya? Anong kala niya?
Nakarating na ng Philippines, guys. Yes. Dito na kami sa Ed.
Kanina lang si airport.
Jollibee! Jollibee! Jollibee!
May free food kayo?
Jollibee!
Kuya, hindi ka na marinig.
Burger lang ako.
Which one? Regular lang na burger? Kasi bibiling ko lang yung burger eh.
Masarap din yung cheeseburger nila, di ba?
Kay peanut yung fries tapos
Peanut! Jollibee!
chop sa side.
Sa side daw, sa middle.
Wag sa middle ha, sa side.
Jollibee!